The feather stitch is a bunch of interconnected V's that connect at the bottom point. So how do you make this stitch? To start, we want to come up at the top point of our V. So I'd be like right there. So I'm going to come up, feel my knot nice and flush with the back of the fabric, and now I need to hold my thread in the direction of the bottom point of my V, and I go back down on the other top corner of that V. I gently tug, so I make a U of thread on the front of the fabric here. Oh, let mine go so it tangled up. We want it nice and open, like so. And now we bring our needle up inside that U of thread where we want the bottom point of our V, and we gently tug so our U becomes a V, like so. Now this bottom point of our V here is going to be the top point of my next V up here. So I can either go to the right or the left. I'll go to the left, so hold my thread towards the bottom point of my V. I'm going to bring my needle down parallel, but a little ways away from the bottom point of my last V, which is the top point of my next V. And I gently tug, so I have a nice open U of thread, and then I bring my needle up inside that U and gently tug so it becomes a V, and I repeat. So I'll go to the right this time. I could keep going to the left if I want, like I did over here, or I could go to the right. So we'll go down, making the other top point of our V, gently tug so we have our nice open loop of thread, bring our needle up inside that loop, and gently tug so our U becomes a V. Now to finish our feather stitch, we need to make a short little stitch that goes around this V of thread here. So I'll just bring my needle down just right on the other side of that thread, making a short little tacking stitch to hold it in place, like so. And that is our feather stitch.